Hey guys, this is Niranjan R Kumar and I'm a professional drag racer. Thank you so much for RLZ Motorsports, as they have been doing a lot in the motorsports category and they have been building their way around motorsports for quite some time. They have this amazing little program called as Support Motorsport Athletes, and I'm so thankful to be chosen as part of one. Well, why carbon fiber in motorsports? It's because of the three main aspects that come to it: speed, lightweight, agility. It's very easy to lose weight on a motorcycle by just replacing parts and replacing it with high quality strong carbon fiber components that will yield a lot more power to weight ratio on your motorcycle. Most importantly, RLZ Carbon use prepreg carbon fiber process, which is one of the best in its kind. They make one of the strongest and the most lightweight carbon fiber components ever to exist. I was always fascinated by the roaring and rumbling engines in NASCAR, MotoGP, Moto3, every single one where a lot of firepower was involved. Well, one of my most important people out there to revert to is, of course, the one and only Rossi. Valentino Rossi has been the pinnacle of riding for the longest period of time for most of the other guys out there who love racing. I started riding in my absolute early days. I started on a Kawasaki KB100. It's my dad's first bike, by the way. Absolutely lovely to stroke. Feels amazing to ride, has a lot of character. I thought, okay, since I can ride a small bike now, why don't I switch to a next one? I graduated onto an R15, then I tried 390. When I had my R15, I did a lot of track days. I got a good wholesome experience in that. When I had my 390, I did attend a lot of RC Cup days. I was always fascinated by little class bikes because I always had a poster of a blue and white 2008 R1 on my wall, later on which turned out to a 2012 ZX-10R. I knew I had to get a ZX-10R one day because I clearly remember during my school days I was cycling back from my tuition and I saw a 250 Ninja for the first time in black color on a flyover, and I happened to ask that guy, hey, what bike is that? And could you rev it up for me? And he gladly did so, and I felt no one has ever done that, and I did not even understand what that bike was. But when I went home and researched a little bit more about it, I had to get it someday. Fast forward a couple years, when I finally started earning and making some more money, I got the Ninja. The ZX-10R was the bike that I had to get because it was a calculated risk. But the beauty of building something from scratch and making it grow, watching it grow right in front of you, from a street bike that has been homologated to ride on the streets to a fire-breathing monster that can crack quarter mile in less than 10 seconds, it's mind-blowing. I love my bike, and it's called as Phoenix, by the way, the ZX-10R. It's a 2020 model honeycomb edition, which comes with the red top. Basically, this edition has the same engine as the ZX-10RR from 2018 to 19. Absolutely beautiful engine, wonderful amount of torque up, but then I had to do a ton of modifications at it. For you guys who are really looking into motorsports, you must really follow RLZ Motorsports because these guys are absolute passionate guys. They have been into the stunting industry for so long, and my personal connect with them has helped me so much. I've always been into motorcycles throughout my life, and most of my passion comes from being inspired by watching so many people out there. Motorcycling, if taken seriously, is a very expensive sport to get into and to continue. Fortunately, people like RLZ Motorsports are absolutely pivotal in helping riders like us grow, and this helps a lot. The Support Motorsport Athlete campaign is one amazing campaign because it will help not only me but you guys as well. Me, absolutely, because I get to try one of the best quality components from RLZ Carbon, try it on track. Make sure that you guys get to see first-hand testing done by me on the track, and it is race-proven performance. These things are bound to be one of the most indestructible things that you can find. If my bike can probably handle these forces, your bike definitely will. And if you will really like whatever is happening on track, I'm pretty sure you will buy it too. There are so many different competitors in the market, but you have not seen what true quality of RLZ Motorsport is. The kind of craftsmanship that they have is absolutely amazing, and I'm pretty sure once you see this live on track, whenever we go drag racing, make epic quality content, you will definitely want to have a piece of it on your motorcycle too. Well, if you like the content, if you like the quality of products that they make, you will get something from me as well, and that is a coupon code that will get you guys 10% off on all your orders. Just use the code ANARCHY10, Anarchy10, and you get flat 10% off on all your orders. This is absolutely amazing as the cost of production for carbon fiber is insanely huge, and also at the same time there are so many overheads involved. Despite of that, RLZ Motorsports is here to help athletes like us and also in turn help people like you who are truly passionate about your motorcycles, who really care for your bikes and also at the same time want to see the absolute best for it. I know you guys feel it too, and I'm sure you would want the best for you too. So if you like this video and if you're keen about motorsports, if you're keen about having the best quality products on your motorcycle, make sure to follow RLZ Motorsports as they are the place for you to get your finest quality components to lighten up your motorcycle, to brighten up your motorcycle, and to just enhance the feel of it in all ways possible. Hit that like button, subscribe for absolutely bonkers updates. Also, watch this space and watch me for a lot more different, amazing, epic, action-filled content.